Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can download, install Facebook application in our Windows computer and laptop, right? Okay, now just open your start menu or just search here Microsoft Store. Open your Microsoft Store, right? And now you can see that this is our Microsoft Store. We can search for here like Facebook app, right? Open your Facebook app here. Now you can see that this is our Facebook app and click on get button. Now it's in progress. It will take a couple of seconds to download Facebook app in our laptop, in our Windows, in our system, right? So now you can see that it's in progress. It's done now. The Facebook application is already installed in our system. If you click on open, it will be open. Otherwise you can search here Facebook now, Facebook, and you can see that this is a Facebook. Click on Facebook, open your Facebook application. Now just write here, you don't need to open a browser, and just write here your email and password. Okay, and login. Now you can see that you already log in to your Facebook account, and right now you don't need to open your browser and search for Facebook. Just search here in search bar, just search here Facebook and open your Facebook application, right? For example, just search a Facebook application, open this application and log into your account and enjoy your Facebook application, right? So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.